I just received the new Pillow Talk Mascara by Charlotte Tilbury, and today we're going to try it out together. There is an ingredient in this mascara that I want to go over with you, so make sure you don't miss it. Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell, and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare routine and sometimes also your perfect makeup routine. What I thought was really interesting about this product when I was looking at the ingredients is that it contains hydrolyzed keratin. Keratin is a protein that comes from hair, and sometimes we can also see it from animals in our products, from the horns, hooves, and feathers of animals. So when I researched this ingredient, it is biomimetic, which means that it comes from a lab, it's synthetic, and it is copying, I believe, human hair. So one thing I noticed that it did not say this product was vegan, so just FYI. The other thing I wanted to show you about this mascara that I thought was pretty unique, not sure if it's a good or bad thing, but it is a unique thing, it's the brush. The brush is flat. Do you see that? It's like a paddle. And then on the other two sides, it has these incredibly short bristles. So the theory behind this is you're supposed to load the product up on the base of your lashes and then use the brush to give them a vertical lift. So let's just see how it goes. I do not have any eye makeup on right now. I am not going to curl my lashes. I'm not going to put on any lash primer. We're going to use the mascara alone. This is not a waterproof mascara, which is fine with me because typically I find that with waterproof mascaras, they tend to make my eyes itchy and they dry out my lashes. And I mean, my lashes are pretty unremarkable. So the last thing I want is my lashes to be, you know, brittle and just kind of breaking off. Who wants that? So you can see that I had a little bit of a hard time applying it because I was trying to put all of that mascara at the base to then brush up, and I got a ton of mascara on my eyelid. But that's okay because when that happens, all you have to do is wait for it to dry and then take a Q-tip and you can literally just brush it right off. That doesn't bother me at all. I have to say, I'm surprised by how thick my lashes look with this mascara on, but it is a bit clumpy on me. So maybe I put on a little bit too much. It was a bit of a weird brush to use. So I'm going to try it again on my other eye and just make it a little bit less clumpy. So let's see how that goes. So I'm just gonna throw the wand back into the tube and maybe try to just get a little bit of that excess off. All right, actually, now that it's on, I don't think it looks bad at all. My lashes look pretty separated and they do have a nice lift to them. Once again, I got a nice little line of mascara right on my eyelid, but it is a little bit hard to apply with this wand, although I can see the innovation in it. I get what she's doing. So I'm just going to do my lower lashes. I'm just going to take this Q-tip and lightly remove this mascara. Now I'm just going to take one of these old school style combs, and I'm just going to try to comb through a little bit of these clumps. Now I think they look pretty good. I was a little bit nervous there for a while, but it's impressive to me the curl that my lash is having and the length that this mascara has given them, because my lashes are just short and they're boring. And this really does open up my eyes and I think they look nice. Does it look any bit different than any other mascara? I don't know yet. I have to look in the mirror and really see how it wears throughout the day. I'll check back in with you and we'll see if the lashes have fallen at all, if they've smeared underneath my eyes, or anything else that could potentially happen. It's been several hours since I saw you last, and in that time, I did a Facebook Live. I picked up my kids from school in 110-degree heat, so keep that in mind for this review. And I also worked out. I did an upper body workout, and I'm still in my sports bra, and I wanted to film this before I go hop in the shower. I have not touched my lashes at all. I haven't touched my eyes, except I did take a Q-tip and I cleaned this area up a little bit more because I didn't want to roll up to school for the pickup with mascara smudged all over my eyes. I'm sure you understand. So I have to say, I didn't use any mascara primer this morning, which is what I usually do. I didn't curl my lashes, but at the same time, this mascara has not smudged at all, and my lashes still have this curl to them. I do not have lashes with a natural curl. My lashes, I know I said this earlier, they're so boring, they're awful, but this mascara really does give them that nice lift. And they felt clumpy this morning, but now I think they look really good. I haven't done anything to them, and this is just one coat. My husband said he thought my lashes looked nice. My daughter said she thought they looked nice, and she said to me when she came home from school that they looked really black. If you're into the whole eye area and you want to kind of up your whole look and your game, you got to start with the skincare, and the skincare is always the most important. My recommendation is right now, you go check out this video right here because I found a cream that is phenomenal for erasing those fine lines underneath the eyes.